In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a post from someone on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and professional exchange. But there are times when you might want certain posts to be seen by a selective audience. Let's dive into how you can navigate these privacy settings effectively. First, let's get started by heading over to LinkedIn.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You have the option to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Or you can use your email address and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, and it's recommended that you do, you might need to verify your account through a code sent to your phone. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only you can access your LinkedIn profile. Once you're logged in, here is an important distinction to understand. After a post is published, you can't hide it from specific individuals. However, LinkedIn does offer controls over who can see a post from the get-go. To manage this, navigate to your LinkedIn feed and click on the Start a Post text box. This is where you'll draft your content. Before moving forward, take a look just beneath your name. Here, you'll spot a drop-down menu. This menu is crucial as it determines the visibility of your post. You have a few choices. Selecting anyone makes your post accessible to anyone on or off LinkedIn. This means people within your extended network can view it, which might be useful for broader reach or public updates. If your goal is to restrict your audience, choose connections only. This confines the post's visibility to just your first-degree connections, those who you are directly connected with on LinkedIn. Do keep in mind, if your LinkedIn profile is set to public, your post can potentially be shared on other platforms as well. So choose wisely based on the nature of your content. Another handy feature found here is the ability to control who can comment on your post. This gives you the added benefit of managing the interaction generated by your content, allowing you to tailor your LinkedIn experience to suit your needs. Once you've made all your selections and you are satisfied with how your post is crafted, the final step is to simply click on Post. Managing these settings ensures that your LinkedIn posts are shared precisely with the audience you intend, safeguarding both your privacy and the professionalism of your social media presence. And that's it. With these steps, you can maintain precise control over who sees your content on LinkedIn, enhancing your ability to network effectively while respecting your privacy needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.